Hi guys, this is Sharing 1420. Ang ating topic for this afternoon is all about um, sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam ha. My name is Train14. That is my code name muna kasi hindi bawal sa amin yung magsabi ng totoong real name. So, maraming nagtatanong sa akin kung saan daw ako, saan ako nakatira, and taken na ba ako? Sasagutin ko po yan ngayon. So, right now, paki-comment, please don't forget to click the button and please subscribe. So, our topic for this afternoon is